सर क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, यहाँ आप आए, यहाँ की वाइब आपको कैसे लगी?
मुझे यहाँ की वाइब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगी, उससे ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक लगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतनी मोहतरमाएँ हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है और मैं दंग रह चुका हूँ। पर मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं जितना प्यार मैं वापस दे सकूँ मैं दूँ। और we're here at the Wildstone. It's because of them that I'm here today. और there's a long, it's just the start of our relationship, and I hope that Wildstone and me go on for a very long time together. So thank you very much कि आप लोग भी आए, आप लोग ने भी वक्त निकाला और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ और थैंक यू।
इवन ऐसा फेस्ट जहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट और इन्फ्लुएंसर एक साथ मिलते हैं और लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज मिलता है, ऐसा फेस्ट कितना ज़रूरी है?
आई थिंक लोगों को मिलना ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आर्टिस्ट हो या नॉर्मल या आम आदमी हो। मुझे लगता है कि एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ऑल लुकिंग टू क्रिएट समथिंग ग्रेट, समथिंग पॉजिटिव फॉर द वर्ल्ड। तो ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स और होने चाहिए, जितना भी होगा हम सब के लिए अच्छा है, मेरे लिए अच्छा है, बाकी लोगों के लिए अच्छा है।
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपको प्यार मिल रहा है, वैसे हीरा मंडी से भी आपको काफ़ी प्यार मिला है, लोग आपको नेशनल क्रश का भी टैग दे रहे हैं, तो इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
इस पे मैं अपनी मम्मी और पापा को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उनकी वजह से जैसे मैं दिखता हूँ उनकी वजह से है। पर अगर मेरे परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर है तो मैं ये अपने दिल से रखता हूँ और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि ऐसे ही परफॉर्मेंस मैं देता रहूँ और प्यार मुझे मिलता रहे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
इवन आपकी को आर्टिस्ट का उसी के साथ सोनाक्षी सिन्हा जी का शादी होने वाला है, उनको क्या विषय?
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा वो तो बहुत अभी होने वाला है ना। आई लव सोनाक्षी सिन्हा और मैं उनको बस ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद, ढेर सारा प्यार और एक बड़ा सा गिफ्ट देना चाहूँगा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू सर। मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे फेस्ट के बारे में, यहाँ का वाइब आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, पर मैं अभी पहुंची हूँ तो इट सीम्स नाइस। मैं सुन सकती हूँ वाइब, अभी मैंने देखा नहीं है तो थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा आई थिंक जब तक मैं स्टेज पे जाऊँ। एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। आई एम हियर फॉर सीक्रेट टेम्पटेशन टुडे विद फ्लिपकार्ट, सो आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड टू गो स्मेल ऑल द न्यू फ्रेगरेंसेज। एंड हाँ, स्टेज पे लाइक यू कैन हियर लॉट ऑफ
इवन ऐसा जो फेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज होता है जहाँ इन्फ्लुएंस और आर्टिस्ट मिलकर लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, तो ऐसा फेस्ट कितना ज़रूरी होता है?
अच्छा है। आई थिंक अगर आपके पास एक एक्टर है या कोई नोन पर्सनालिटी है, सो मे बी टू रीच द ऑडियंस या कनेक्ट करने के लिए वो ईजियर रहता है। सो
इवन आप भी कहीं ना कहीं अपने वीडियो के माध्यम से लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करती हैं और लोग आपसे कनेक्ट होते हैं, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और आप ये कितना कंटिन्यू रखेंगी, क्या कुछ नया और लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा?
आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर, हाँ, आप या अपने फिल्म्स के ज़रिए लोगों से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं या अपने रियल लाइफ से, बिकॉज अभी हम सब सोशल मीडिया पे है। वो क्या है कि फिल्म्स के ज़रिए आप एक कैरेक्टर हो तो वो अदा नहीं है। यूजुअली मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि जितना मैं दूर रहूँ अदा से और आपको लगे कि वो कोई और ही है, जैसे लाइक बस्तर में था या केरला स्टोरी में या 1920 में। लाइक मैं रियल लाइफ में भूत नहीं हूँ, मैं रियल लाइफ में एक जवान नहीं हूँ, पर मैं ट्राई करती हूँ वो फिल्म्स के ज़रिए। एंड आई स्टिल वांट टू कनेक्ट टू पीपल एंड अदरवाइज ऑन सोशल मीडिया आई ट्राई कि मैं जितना रहूँ मैं रहूँ एंड आई ट्राई टू बी एज रियल एज पॉसिबल, जितना लोग अलाउ करते हैं। अगर मेरे खुद के वीडियोज़ हैं तो 100% रियल ही है, बट अगर लाइक इफ इट्स पार्ट ऑफ अ फिल्म और पार्ट ऑफ एन एड और समथिंग, इट्स 80% me and 20% of other people's ideas also involved in it. So I would like to connect with people like that. I mean, as an actor, as a performer, as an entertainer, आपको वही चाहिए।
इवन आपके बैक टू बैक 3 ब्लॉकबस्टर के बाद आप लोगों को आपकी कौन सी अदा देखने को मिलेगी?
बहुत जल्द कुछ होगा, बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज या पिछले 1 महीने में, पिछले 2 महीने पहले 1 महीने के स्पैन में देयर वाज केरला स्टोरी ऑन OTT एंड देन सनफ्लावर एंड बस्तर, और सब इतने अलग थे। सो आई एम वन ऑफ दोज लकी पीपल। आई थिंक आई एम वेटिंग टू शो you guys more. Thank you.
He's enthralled by her fragrance, so yeah.
So it's important to leave a lasting impression, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So let's get on with that. And I have Ankit over here. Ankit, you're known to be a trailblazer in your industry. Yes. So what do we have today?
Honestly, it's the first safe on skin body mist in India. For secret, for secret temptation, essentially this is the first product that we put, which is dermatologically tested. At the same time, the sole purpose of it is, like I was mentioned, is to make someone feel beautiful. That's it. It gives you freshness. It maintains an aura about you 24/7, so that before you enter the room, the secret's already out. And somebody's on. That's it.
I like how you said, before you enter the room, the secret's already out. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Okay, so with this, we're going to get ready to unveil that secret that you all have been waiting for. Everybody, before that, please make some noise for Ankit and Ada on stage over here. Come on, everybody. Okay, so now we're going to have a countdown very soon. But before that, we have, treat this as a launch button. Okay, you're going to spray it, and that's when it all comes out. Okay?
Is everyone ready?
She's going to lead the last.
Let's have a countdown, or I just...
So we're going to have a countdown. Everybody, let's get ready for the countdown, and here we go.
So I do 1 or 10?
Secret Temptation Dew, this zesty orange glass feels like a cupcake cut. While it is flavors, you have to choose and pick one which will be your favorite, okay?
Mine.
Yes. Secret Temptation Gold, radiating charm with peachy pink for that fruity essence, and Secret Temptation Blue, this marine explosion is perfect for those looking for monsoon-like bliss. What would you pick?
I'm pretty confused. They all sound really nice. There are like 7 days a week and there are 4, so can we alternate it? I'd like to have bold on one day and then marine on the other. And can I do that? Am I?
Absolutely, right answer. Give it up for everybody. Okay, I have to continue by saying the matchologists love these because these bits, they love your skin back. So get ready to turn heads and spark conversations. Next time you wear these and someone asks you कि क्या लगाया है, you know what to say? It's secret. Yes, it's a secret. Thank you. Okay. So here you have it, our Secret Temptation Body Mist, a whole new way to stay fresh all day. Think freshness, think Secret Body Mist. And now, ladies and gentlemen, all of you are here. Ada, Ankit, before you leave, any last notes for everyone?
Well, we've just launched 4 awesome fragrances. I can vouch for this one. It smells really nice. So quickly get your hands on them. Smell wonderful all days of the week.
Absolutely. And Ankit?
So you can't end what others say. So we just leave it at that. These are 4 refreshing fragrances. That's essentially derma tested. But pick and choose. Probably there will be an 8th flavor a week.
Also, I was also reading about this, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So if anyone, I think that's very important. For me, that's very important when I pick products. Also, and I was really happy to be associated with you guys because whenever I pick any makeup or beauty product, that's the first thing I look at. Because that's another whole discussion that we can get into, the whole cruelty industry. And I think to look beautiful, you can't be torturing another living being and then think that you're going to look nice. So it's really nice that these are vegan and cruelty free. And that was another reason that I was very happy to be associated with them.
Thank you, Ada, for not just being beautiful, but very kind. Yeah, give it up for Alaida House, everybody.
Thank you.
What a fantastic launch we've had. It was brilliant. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for this. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what a fabulous and glamorous launch we all had. Let's open and see what's there inside. Wow! Well, it seems to me there's something mini and convenient inside that you can carry with you where you go. Make some noise, everybody! Okay, I want to hand it over to Abhijit and tell us what we have.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay, go first.
So good evening, everybody here. You beautiful people. Good evening. And I'm so happy to see you all here. And I see a lot of you in the Cetaphil blue. That makes me so happy. Okay, so Cetaphil is that brand which everyone in this room knows, I'm sure. And you love this brand because you trust this brand, right? And you trust it because Cetaphil is science-backed and it has a product for every skin story. So that's why we say in Cetaphil, hum skin ki sune, tum dil ki suno. We listen to your skin so you can follow your heart.
Thank you for so wonderfully explaining that. Give it up, everybody. Wow.
Good evening, everyone. So first of all, I'd like to thank the whole Galdama team who's present over here. So yeah. So Cetaphil not only has an expertise in a skin innovation and a skincare, we also understand our audience. So that's the only reason we are launching this minis pack over here, so that at least you have a ease of traveling. Then when you are traveling, you can carry the minis with you, and also you don't have to completely compromise on anything with your skincare. So we are also launching with the esteemed partner Flipkart, so that at least now you have a true trusted partner, Cetaphil for the skincare and Flipkart definitely for the delivering and making it happen.
Thanks a lot. We are super excited to have Cetaphil as a partner for the Flipkart Glam Up event. With their deep understanding of the customer and our strength in deep, the reach we have across the country, I think we get the best products at a click of a button. So thanks guys, thanks a lot for partnering with us.
Shahrukh, a question to you. You have a product in your hand. Okay, are you going to keep this for yourself or give it to somebody else? Because they're so easy to carry with,
How about we have some lucky winners here?
Absolutely, we're going to give that out also. Wow.
Thank you so much. I was inside getting ready and I could hear all you guys cheering for me. And thank you so much, man. Thank you.
I love the energy over here just because, you're here. So I'd like
I want to feel it more. Come on. I'm greedy. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
All right, I love it. Siddharth, there is so much happening in your life. I'm going to get to that.
How did you know that? How the hell did you know that?
A little buddy said that something was released.
Professional life, yeah. Okay.
So, were you trying to say something else with me?
Absolutely not.
All right. Can I have you this side? Your cameras, 1, 2, this side here. All right, everybody. So, before I proceed ahead, your camera's ahead. So let's ask Siddhant some questions in here. You've got some great style.
Oh, that's Nikita. That's my stylist.
Oh, it's a style.
Goes to her.
But in today's world, if I had to put a label on you, I'd say you've got that breeze.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, it's a nice question. Not kidding. Okay. So Siddharth, how do you do all this? Tell me.
Do what? Wear clothes? ऐसे पैंट पहनो, ऐसे ब्लेजर आता हूँ बस.
High five, same here. Okay, so I love the style, and everybody always appreciates what you wear. So coming to talk about a little bit about fragrances. If you had to rate how important fragrances are in your life, would that be?
It would be 8.5 because I haven't yet found the right fragrance, so I always keep that, remaining that little part. So 8.5.
Okay, so we're going to unveil what completes that 10 right now. Okay, so now let's talk about what's going on in Siddhant's life professionally, okay? We have seen you drop Ittifaq, and I must say that's just too hot to handle. Like, can you tell us more about Ittifaq, everybody?
It just happened by chance. I used to write, so I've written this song. I have a page called Sunny Chats where I write poetry. Often Savera, I've done 2 films with them, Gehraiyan and Kogayam Ka. So we were just jamming and they had some sick beat, and I was like, I've written something, can we, put it on the scan and see how it goes? And it really sounded good. So they were like, you want to try it? I was like, yeah, why not? Let's just try it. So yeah, I mean, that was not part of the plan, but we just went on with it. And then Arjun Gareen Singh, the guy who directed Program came on board. He directed the whole music video. Vamika is looking gorgeous in the video. So yeah, I mean, that's how it all happened. It was Ittifaq. It was by chance. It was not planned at all.
But I hear it's really beautiful and so many amazing raving reviews online, right? Everybody, please give it up for Ittifaq.
Thank you.
You know, I heard some people say that can we have a line or two of the song? Yeah? Come on, make some noise, everybody.
Well, I'll just maybe, where do I start? We don't have a beat here, but I still try to rap, so please don't judge me on that. तू आई ऐसे चल के शराब से ज़्यादा यादें चल के मेरे यार के चल के ना जा उसको don't go that way we were so good हम खो गए थे आए इतने करीब दूर हो गए थे तू आई मेरे पास मेरे बिगड़े मिजाज trying so hard इत्तेफाक है.
Oh my God! Fantastic. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's amazing. I wish you all the very best with this song. And ladies and gentlemen, let's take this evening forward. There is more excitement coming up. And to do the honors, I'd like to invite one visionary behind Flipkart, the man of the hour. Please welcome Sharat Mohammed, director of Flipkart, in the house. Make some noise!
Thank you for having me here.
Absolutely, I'm going to give the stage to you and Siddhant, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Siddhant, it's amazing to have you here for the Flipkart Glamour Fest. How's it? How does it look? How's the energy?
It's absolutely amazing. The setup here is quite new. I haven't seen something like this. It's almost like an MMA ring, and I'm versus you. So, but yeah, it's fun, and the crowd's really well dressed. The beautiful people around, and yeah, it's a vibe.
Great. So we've seen you rock the big screen. We would love to know, the man behind the screen. So, how are you?
Nothing. I'm just a boy next door. I mean, there's nothing special I was born with. But you find your speciality as you grow. You find your rarity and you find your power and strength as you grow through life. That's what happened. I'm just like them. It's just that I'm here. But yeah, it's been a constant seeking to be better in everything which I do, and it's just not limited to films. It's beyond that. It's about everything, family, friends, music. Each and every part of my life is equally important. So yeah, I try to just balance it out, and that's what it is. I'm just trying to lead a normal life.
Wow, that's great. So you're an icon in the hearts of many people. All walks, people from all walks follow you, right? How have you really cracked this code with Gen Z? We really would love to know that.
I think that one thing which is very special with the Gen Zs is they can spot what's real and what's not. And I don't know the other way, where I would try to push or fake things. I am very vulnerable. Even on Instagram, I have a page, I write, I just whatever I feel, and it's there, like right in front of you. I'll just say it. I'm very honest, and I've got into trouble because of that earlier in my career, just saying whatever I felt, and things blew up. But that's who I am, and I'm not gonna hide who I am. And that's what I think the Gen Zs or the young people, they really appreciate, because you cannot fake anything in this era where everybody knows what you're trying to do and who you are. So that's what the thing is, to just retain that, you know, asli hai, that thing. That is what it is, and it's not easy, you know, because you're surrounded by people. Okay, you're an actor, you're famous, and you go to places, and there are people who just want to woo you, and there are people who just want to like be saying yes to everything you and everything you do. But that's the thing. Just keep your family close, keep your people close, and know the right thing. And yeah, that's how it is.
Wow, that's really phenomenal. That's straight from the heart, like, you know, CD bar. So we would like to know a little more about you. So you've had generally, you know, it's a hectic schedule, the kind of lifestyle you have. How do you inspire your mind to keep going, to do better, to move forward?
How do I've left a lot of things in my life to be here. Initially, I was doing something else, you know. This opportunity which I've got to be even standing in front of you guys on the stage, there were so many things I had to let go. And those things, you know, still sometimes haunt me. And I'm responsible to the things which I've left behind. And there were so many things. It was my established career, it was my first girlfriend, so many things, you know, which I had to let go to be here. So I'm responsible for the things which I have left behind. So I'm doing it for that, and I'm very much responsible for the things which are ahead of me, you know. So I'm working towards that as well. So yeah.
Okay. I'm sure you face a lot of, you know, stress and chaos at times, and you need to just stop, you know, take a breather, and you need to cool down. And at times it's not just about cooling your mind, it's about cooling your body. How do you cool your body?
Cool my body?
Yep.
यहाँ की थोड़ी ना बात है इसको। How do you cool your body? Take a cold shower, which is actually very good. The first thing, you know, we always tend to take hot showers, but try having cold showers. It actually releases a certain amount of dopamine in your brain, and it really activates your nerves and your mind. I might just get in trouble for saying this. Somebody might put it on a reel and be like, what the hell is he saying? But I'm just saying that, yeah, take a cold shower, man. That's how you cool your body. And बाकी तो आपको अपने bodies के बारे में पता ही है, तो आपको जो सही लगे वो आप करिए.
Oh, I've really never been able to get to that. You know, it's really chilling.
Get to what?
Having a cool Cool. So we've learned about your, you know, mind and a little bit of how you treat your body. We want to dig a little deeper. How do you really energize your spirit?
How do I energize my spirit? I think, how do I energize my spirit? It's the passion. It's the passion which you have inside you, and to be able to wake up and work every day. It's my ikagai, I would say. You know, what I have in my head for the future. I'm working towards that. So that's how I keep the energy on, and obviously my family. So I think these two things are very essential. Other than that, yeah, that's all it is. See, you can easily break anybody's spirit, you know, and there are so many things we go through every day on social media or the box office. So you just have to keep going, you just have to be patient and just have to look forward. And if you're doing and if you're getting what you really want to do, I think everything else will be fine, and your spirit will keep, you know, re-energizing itself in a cycle.
You're really moving mountains through simple actions. I think that's a mantra we all need to learn. So I think we'll move to the big reveal from.
Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back. I'm here for the big reveal. Okay.
Absolutely.
But I'm not the reveal, the big reveal. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have something special happening. Firstly, please give it up for Siddharth and Shahrukh over here. Come on, everybody, make some noise.
Siddharth will do the honors.
Okay. So we
Make some noise, please.
Activate your senses by Reebok.
back. It's all about blending style with performance so you can look fresh, smell refreshed, and stay on top of your game. And let's take a moment to talk about a power duo that's totally changing the game. Reebok and Flipkart, everybody! Make some noise! Both hard. I got that right. Okay, this collab is all about bringing the freshest Reebok gear straight to your doorstep with just a click. Flipkart's epic reach and Reebok's legendary style make it easier than ever before to stay on trend and fit. It's a win-win, folks. So one more time. Yeah, can we showcase the products? And go, everybody, please give them a big shout out. Make some noise. Thank you so much, Siddharth, for being here, sharing the song, sharing so many insights. Thank you, Sharon, for conducting that so beautifully. Give it up for them. Everybody, make sure you go to the Reebok booth, check out the products. We will see you soon. Till then, you can take this. It looks good on you. I'll have to tell you that. Give it up, give it up, give it up. What a fantastic session, everybody. We have so much more excitement. More celebrities coming on this stage. So stay tuned. Be with us. This is Angela Rubella.
Friends, what a huge honor for us on behalf of Flipkart Glamour. Let's give it up for Siddhant Chaturvedi and make some noise. Because tali nahi baja sakte, of course, we have the gadgets, but what a beautiful feeling, Siddhant. And, you know, the kind of progression that you've had, the kind of dance, oh my God, we're all fidda over you. You know, follow your social media handles at the same time. You win everyone's hearts forever. So thank you so much for joining us here. How special is this evening with Flipkart Glamour? What do you like to say?
Well, I'm very excited. I was very nervous because looking at the setup, they have really outdone themselves. You know, you see the lights, you see the stage. It is grand. So as I entered, I was like, okay, this is. I mean, I was on the stage and it was, I think, it was not a square. It was a pentagon. Yeah. So it was quite interesting the way they have set it up. And it's been fun. I mean, the people were excited. They were cheering, and yeah, we had a great time on stage.
Right since Gully Boy, you've been the heartthrob, not just of the nation, of the world. So, of course, we also love your handsome looks. Do you have some beauty regime? Aaj raas ko fash karte hain.
Beauty regime. Nothing. I mean, not anything very specifically. I can't right now come up with anything, but I sleep a lot. Yeah. So I work and I sleep and I sleep and I work. That's
Thank
all. And I can sleep anywhere.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
really.
That really kind of energizes me anytime.
And
So
rejuvenates.
quick naps. Yeah. I think that's a habit which I developed during my CA days because I used to study for 14 hours. So I had to take those power naps in between, and it's still kind of very helpful.
The secret.
And the traffic also. Yeah,
the secret to his great beauty. So please, friends from the media to raise the question.
Thank you,
Sir, in
thank
the
you so
center.
much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, quickly, we can't take individual questions. We can just take one question, one common question, or you can address the media.
चलो रोल है सबका सो ब्रदर फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैमर के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है यू नो आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं बहुत ही प्यार मिलता है आपको आपने स्टेज पर देखा सो बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस है क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैमर के बारे में
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मज़ा आया। सेटअप काफ़ी ग्रैंड था। लोग बड़े खूबसूरत थे और लोग बड़े ही अच्छे थे। काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से चेयरअप किया उन्होंने और काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं। नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स देखे मैंने। काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अभी सीखनी बाकी हैं अपने स्किन केयर के बारे में, चाहे फ्रेगरेंसेस के बारे में। मैंने रीबॉक के फ्रेगरेंसेस लॉन्च किए अभी। सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी बाकी हैं, बट धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हैं।
As a celebrity, I see so many people, tagging and, it's leading to a lot of promotion for the brands. As a celebrity, as an actor, how much pressure do you feel to put up these reels? And of course, it's also lucrative. But as an actor and as a celebrity, how do you feel the pressure, or you feel it's a great tool?
देखिए ऐसा था कि आज से 6 साल पहले चीज़ें ख़रीदनी पड़ती थी, अब फ्री में मिल जाती हैं। तो अगर कोई इतना प्यार दे रहा है तो हम क्यों नहीं उसी प्यार को दोबारा और बड़ा करके दें। सो आई डोंट माइंड इट एब्सोल्युटली, एंड इट्स इन फैक्ट एन ऑनर दैट दे सी दैट वैल्यू, दे सी दैट मेरे टैग करने से कुछ अच्छा ही होगा। और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड आई थिंक इफ़ आई कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू द ब्रांड्स मोर एंड मोर, I'd be
always up for doing it.
But do you feel the pressure to put up reels like other actors?
No, I'm a good looking guy. Why would I shy away from showing my face?
हाल फिलहाल में कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आपने खरीदी हो और आपको बहुत ही पसंद आई और आपने खरीदी हो?
देखिए, जो चीज़ें पसंद आती है मैं ख़रीदता नहीं हूँ। मतलब मुझे ख़ासकर चीज़ें जिनका प्राइस होता है वो मुझे उस तरीके से पसंद नहीं आती। जो चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं या जो लोग हैं मेरे पास, वो चीज़ों को मैं ख़रीद नहीं सकता। उनको बस प्यार और मोहब्बत से रख सकता हूँ। और जो चीज़ें मैं ख़रीदता हूँ वो कोई ना कोई यूटिलिटी होती है उस चीज़ की। बट ऐसा मुझे कोई क्रेज़ नहीं है कुछ चीज़ ख़रीदने का जो कि मुझे पसंद है या उसके वो मुझे चाहिए। ऐसा कभी मेरा था ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में। ऐसी तो कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो कुछ नहीं है ऐसा।
Some pictures, please, and then we can.
Energy, everybody. Let's give it up for her one more time. Yes? You look amazing. You look amazing. But everybody, can we do a dance with Abhi right now? Yes? 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 You want to see it? Right? Jay and Nishant. Do you also want to get in there? Come on, a little bit, a little bit. Come on, can we have the music again? Ready?
That is actually the track of my film that has just come up, so I'm glad that they played it. But yeah, it was fun. Thank you so much.
And you were awesome. Look at your energy and vibe. Isn't she amazing, everybody? Yes?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to leave three of you to it. They're going to have a very interesting conversation you don't want to miss. So give it up for them one more time, everybody.
Hi, Avneet.
Hi.
Absolute pleasure to have you here on the Flipkart Glam Up event. Someone glamorous like you endorsing the event really means a lot to us. Thank you for coming here.
That means a lot. Thank you.
So I've been following you for quite some time and seen your journey, and Cannes, it is amazing, right? Being the youngest Indian actress to go to Cannes and represent Indian community, I think it's amazing. How did it feel for you?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here, for inviting me here, and I'm so glad to be part of this forum. It was an amazing journey, it was an amazing experience, it was unreal, and I can just say that it was a dream come true moment for me. And I'm really happy to be here, to be talking with you guys, and yeah, that's it.
And I believe being the youngest Indian actress to be there must have been a lot of pressure. How do you look? How does it feel, right? And everyone's looking at you. So how did you go about so many different looks that you created? What helped you? How did you go about it?
So it was like a collaborative effort of me and my stylist together. We wanted to create something different, something unique. Personally, I love experimenting with my looks and my style. I can't do the same thing again and again. Like, I love experimenting. So I think that was something that we wanted to do, but at the same time, I wanted to keep my personal touch to it as well, where I also feel comfortable in my clothes and I feel like myself. So yeah, and a lot of people were asking me questions after the Cannes that where are these clothes from, what are the brand names, we want to know, we want to buy
why this jacket that you're wearing, and all of these questions go popping up. Abhi bhi, right now also people are asking me that. So I'm glad that people loved it. I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, that's in fact a great segue to introduce the next feature I want to talk about, which is actually called the looks feature. So very often actually, I mean, we see our customers on our platform after any big event, maybe it's like a red carpet look from Cannes that they have seen and have been inspired by, and they're like, hey, I really want to recreate that on myself and see how I look, right? But many times they're not able to because they don't know exactly what was the brand, the product that was used, and even if the product is clear, they don't know the specific shade of, let's say, lip gloss or anything that has been used. In our search query logs, we see it a lot, right? After big events, we will see a lot of queries appearing in our search logs that are like, hey, Avneet's red dress from...
Where is it from?
Right, so we are all about creating delightful new experiences to answer the needs of the customers, and we took up the challenge on ourselves, and now we have launched this feature called Looks. So it's about a curated celebrity look where the exact set of products and brands you can reproduce on yourself with a single click. So you discover a product, for example, on a product page that is part of a curated look. You can not only just try on that particular product on yourself using the camera of the device, using virtual try-on features, but you can also try on an entire look, an ensemble of everything that was used to create that look. And we also allow people to customize on top of that. They can say, okay, this looks great, but maybe for my skin tone, I may want to change the shade a little bit. I want to try a slightly different product. So it's not exactly that one, but something else. So, and all of that stuff, right? I mean, beauty is a very inspirational category, right? A lot of people actually get inspired by what they see others create, and they want to experiment and they want to try something that is authentically their own self, but at the same time inspired by what they see elsewhere, and that's why we have launched this feature called Looks. A lot of platforms have a feature where you can try on, for example, a particular product on yourself using the camera, using augmented reality feature. But this enables you to try on an entire ensemble and be able to mix and match and customize and all of that. And I should talk a little bit about like how much effort goes into doing something like this, right? So, for example, recreating the exact shade, for example, of lip gloss. I'm sure just in the color pink, there are probably like 100 named shades that people will know, right? So we work very closely with brands. We get the exact hex color code of the particular shades, calibrate our cataloging monitors so that the exact shade is represented in a realistic color when you see the catalog imagery, and all of that. And that's a small part of what went into building a feature like that. There is a lot of AI features that have also gone into virtual try-on features. You can analyze your skin tone, for example, to get suggestions on the shades that will work best for you, and so many cool features. I hope some of you have been able to try it out in the tech experience zone that we have set up. If not, I would encourage people to go try it out as well.
I think that's insane. I mean, Flipkart's new features are amazing. Like personally, I feel like after hearing this and after trying it, I've tried it before, I've tried the lip shade thing. But after trying these outfits, I feel like I don't need a stylist anymore, yeah? Like, I mean, like I have my stylist right at home 24/7 on my fingertips. Like, okay, I can just like check my phone, okay, okay, I want to do this, I want to wear this outfit, I want this lip shade, and I want to do this hairstyle, or I want to do something like this. I can create the look on my phone itself. And the fact that it's so accessible, easily accessible for everyone, and everyone can use it, and it's so easy to use. So I feel like, yeah, definitely, like I do not need a stylist anymore thanks to Flipkart.
I think that sounds really fantastic, and I'm sure our users would want to really try on a lot of these features.
Yeah. I can talk about a couple more as well. For example, one of the things we are now deeply investing in is how do you bring the power of videos to a platform much more deeply, right? So because it's an inspirational category, people don't make purchasing decisions by reading lots and lots of text. They don't want to look at catalog specifications to make purchasing decisions, right? So we said that we want to deeply infuse very, very high quality, rich media imagery on the product pages. We want to be able to show complete videos, auto-playing on product pages, and give realistic rendering of how a particular beauty product looks across different skin tones, different lighting and colors, and so on and so forth. And that is something that we have invested in deeply as well, which we call as videoification of our purchase funnel. Not a very glamorous name, I know, but it is...
But a glamorous feature indeed.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So yeah, I just have a few questions. So what about like for people like us, like celebrities or influencers, what if we want to get into this? Like what do we do?
You know, great question, Amneet. So, I mean, we know that our Gen Z audience especially really craves social interactions, real-time connectivity to the celebrities that they follow, and they really value authenticity. Right? If you go and just see a traditional ad that is posted on social media by brands, right? People don't feel that it's very authentic. It doesn't connect with them. It doesn't speak to them, right? So, but if it's a celebrity that they really love and they're following that celebrity influencer, they're much more willing to listen to them, try things out. So that's why one of the things that we have launched, we call it as a Vibes feature. And what Vibes does is create a space on our platform which is entirely driven by influencer content. It's about images, it's about videos. You can get your followers on the platform and be able to introduce new products to them, inspire them with the things that you have discovered, hidden gems that you have discovered. That's something that's seeing already a lot of traction from our consumers, and we are very excited to start opening it up to our influencer community as well. The other thing, like if you look at, for example, live shopping, this is something that has taken off in a really big way in so many parts of the world. In India, it's still a very nascent ecosystem. It's like in many other countries, up to 20% of all online commerce in certain categories happens live commerce. So as the market leaders in India, we want to bring these sort of innovations in country. So we launched a platform called the Lives platform. Earlier we have been using it only for what we call as tentpole events, basically our Big Billion Days and other such really large shopping festivals as it were, right? And for example, many of our Big Billion Day price reveal videos, product launch videos get more than 1 million concurrent viewers for some of these videos. Now what we are doing is to get the same Lives platform for day-to-day shopping as well. We are introducing a lot of properties where influencers can engage their audience on a daily basis, introduce new products and do live shopping, and a lot of interactivity built into it, and so on and so forth as well. We have even tried, for example, in the past with very innovative new features like allowing the ability for customers to bargain the price while they are interacting and chatting.
No way, bargaining is also happening. Wow, girls, can you listen to this here, please? You have to get on this right now. That's amazing.
I think how it's great there that now influencers can harness the power of Flipkart, reach out to the customers. Tell us more, what more is there for influencers here?
Yeah. So the other big thing that we are launching as we speak, we are calling it the Flipkart Affluencers program. It's kind of a portmanteau of affiliate program and influencers. We are calling it as an Affluencers program. So all of the influencers, celebrities, all of you have significant amount of following on the platforms where you post content, right? It may be YouTube, it may be Insta, it may be any other platform where you're engaging your audience. We want to be able to give you a way for using our product catalog. We will give you, for example, early access cheat sheets for new product launches that are coming, deals that are going to come on the platform, etc. So influencers can be ready, prepare their videos and be ready to go when the product drop happens. And be able to engage the audience and of course monetize, right? So we have launched this with partners. These partners are around as well, so any influencer who wants to check out how it works can go sign up with the partners and learn more about the program and get going. In fact, we did a soft launch of this just about a month back. Signed up basically maybe about, by now it would have been about 1,500 influencers who have already signed up. And they posted, I think on last count, a few days back, about 5,000, 6,000 videos. And we have already generated about close to 50 crore impressions.
Oh, that's huge. Congratulations.
Thank you on these videos. And we think that influencers and celebrities are a very important part of the ecosystem for, especially for these inspiration-driven categories. And we want to deeply partner with all of you and really grow the market, develop this category, and we would love to have Flipkart be the platform of choice for customers to be inspired, discover new products, and we will continue working with all of you to develop this property further.
Amazing. That's a great news for all the influencers and celebrities out there. I think this is going to be like a huge platform now. So congratulations to you guys for already being so successful, and I hope that this continues, and I'm a part of your family as well.
Of course. Thank you.
All the influencers do check out the Flipkart Affluencers counter that's there exactly. I think it's going to be massive, something that you can all use and build your story on the platform.
And of course, needless to say, there's a QR code above. You can scan that as well to directly go to the pages where you can get more information about the program and start signing up.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing these details, because we are very excited for what's coming up next in Flipkart, and this is exciting news. I have, give it up for them, everybody. Come on, make some noise. Yes?
Thank you.
You know, by hearing everything you guys were discussing, I have to say that Flipkart is ready to flip all of you, because the future is absolutely amazing, right? Okay. Everybody, thank you again for joining us here. Thank you so much. Thank you, and Ishan. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have these amazing guys who have entertained you, spoken so much about what's coming up next, and now we'll bid an adios to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, everybody. It keeps getting exciting. Join us again.
On behalf of Flipkart Glam Up 2024. Right from creating waves at the Cannes Film Festival to, of course, where we're looking forward to Love Ki Arranged Marriage. It's always about love with Avneet. बचपन से लेके इतना प्यार उन्होंने हासिल किया, से truly thankful on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up. But क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You always look naturally glamorous.
Oh my God, thank you. Now that's something that I love, naturally glamorous. I'm really excited to be part of this event because I think we launched something really amazing that's going to change the market, I feel, completely. There's live shopping that's happening. There's live, you can try on clothes, you can try on different products, and it's like, I felt like over there, like I don't need a stylist anymore, because now I can like virtually just try clothes on and just like create a look out of nothing. I mean, and that's such an amazing thing, and congratulations to the whole team of Flipkart, because this is huge, and I personally feel that it's going to change the market completely now.
Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please.
Avneet, you did
हाँ जी.
center, सवाल left right.
हाँ जी.
Good to see you, Avneet. You know, आप जहाँ भी
Thank you.
जाती हैं, like आपके fans, आपके picture का, posting का बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार करते रहते हैं. Day by day, मैं आपसे पहले भी बात कर चुका हूँ कि आपकी जिस तरह से popularity बढ़ती जा रही है. And Flipkart Glam Up Fest के लिए यहाँ पर आप आई हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? And please.
Thank you so much पहले तो for your kind words, and बहुत excited हूँ to launch this feature with Flipkart, because I think personally, जैसे मैंने बोला भी और मैं बहुत excited थी stage पे, क्योंकि एक ऐसा platform है, हिंदी में बात करूँ इंग्लिश में?
You comfortable, हिंदी में ही बात कर सकते हैं.
एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप इजीली चीज़ें ट्राई कर सकते हो. अगर किसी का मन नहीं है शॉपिंग करने का या डोंट वांट टू गो आउट समवेयर, यू कैन जस्ट लाइक स्विच ऑन टू योर Flipkart account and you can easily try on outfits and create a whole look with your outfits, and you can try on makeup, you can try on clothes, shoes, every accessories, everything you can try on. And also the fact that people get so influenced by influencers and celebrities nowadays. So you can actually create, if they share the links with you, you can actually create what they are wearing. You can have the same stuff for yourself as well, because people love to do that. And that is a huge thing. I feel that's going to change the market completely. Yeah.
Avneet, I just want to know what does it take for you to decide who you are going to collaborate with? Because there's a whole business sense to this industry as well. So how do you take this business decision? Like, who are you collaborating with as an artist? Because you're associating a name and brand.
As an artist, when I'm talking about clothes, or as an actor collaborating with different people, like what do you?
As an actor collaborating with these brands like Flipkart and more.
Okay, so I feel it's amazing to be collaborating with Flipkart, especially because they've come up with something completely unique. And I personally, myself, I love experimenting. I'm a person that experiments with my style, my outfits, everything. So I think that's what they have done, and I love people and I appreciate people that do that. So I would love to congratulate the Flipkart family for this, and I would love to be a part of the Flipkart family as long as it is.
As you said about shopping, as you said about shopping, तो आप जब आप shopping करने का सोचते तो ऐसी कोई 3 चीज़ जो आप सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आती है?
जैसे कि हमने स्टेज पे भी बात की कि बेसिक शॉपिंग क्योंकि हर आदमी करता है, हर इंसान को होता है कि कोई बेसिक शॉपिंग करे, तो वो भी आप इधर कर सकते हो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरे लिए तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बेसिक्स का शॉपिंग करना. जैसे एक मेरे पास अगर एक बेसिक वाइट टी शर्ट है, एक बेसिक रिप्ड जीन्स है और एक बेसिक जैकेट है, तो मैं कुछ भी उसके अराउंड क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. और अगर और बेसिक वाली चीज़ों के बारे में बात करो तो फिर बहुत ही हो जाती है, पर ये 3 आई थिंक इसके अराउंड आप अपनी एक आउटफिट क्रिएट कर सकते हो.
लास्टली कैंस के बाद हम कौन से ग्लैमरस अवतार में देखने वाले हैं अवनीत जी को?
ग्लैम तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. ग्लैम और ये फैशन तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला. आई love to style myself. I love fashion. I love everything about fashion. तो अभी तो पहले यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेरी एक फिल्म आई है लव की अरेंज मैरिज ZEE5 पे, तो आप प्लीज़ वो देखिए जाके. उसमें बहुत सारे ग्लैमरस लुक्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं.
इवन आपने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे, जैसे आपकी मूवी का नाम है लव की अरेंज मैरिज, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से मैरिज पे बिलीव कर रहे हैं?
आपको पता है मैं ये इंटरव्यू कब से दे रही हूँ और यही सवाल मुझे एक हफ्ते से परेशान कर रहा है. सबको मेरी शादी की इतनी क्यों पड़ी है यार? अभी रुक जाओ थोड़ा, अभी टाइम है काफ़ी.
तभी होगा तो
यार आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन लव मैरिज, बट अगर पेरेंट्स की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ एक लव मैरिज हो तो वो अरेंज्ड भी हो जाती है और लव भी हो जाती है. तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो सही है, बढ़िया है. नहीं हो तो फिर रोएंगे बैठ के और क्या.
Thank you so much.
I never leave any gift. But guys, from what I understood, you are going to make our Indian Janta more lazy. This is what it looks like. Means you touch it, you wish it, it's here in a few minutes.
Exactly. We want to really ensure that your flexibility, convenience is at the top.
Convenience and flexibility and laziness is going to increase, guys. This is what we are doing. Flipkart has a plan.
Yeah, and whatever you want, everything you'll get in minutes. That's what we are here for.
No getting up from the couch. Matlab, now if I need to gift something to my friend on birthday, I don't even have to make an effort to go and shop. Matlab, my friend will feel कि इतना भी नहीं किया इसने मेरे लिए. Now I'm just sitting and swiping and selecting.
Maybe you can tell the friend that you put in the effort and secretly swipe it.
Yeah, my finger is putting the effort.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Or Flipkart is putting the effort to you.
Yeah.
We are here for your convenience and delight.
All right, Flipkart. I'll tell you if the friendship survived this or no later.
I think this is just want to tell you that we are coming out with an amazing offering. Just wait, tune to this, and you'll see a lot of announcement happening in this space. Thank you.
Thank you, Kasi. Thank you so much. Pleasure. And I hope you enjoyed the gift that you ordered for yourself.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed and I'm amazed and I'm still like trying to understand. You people are going to make our lives very easy and lazy very soon. But congratulations for yet another feather in your cap, and I'm sure it's going to get bigger and bigger from here.
Thank you. Thanks for all this.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Firstly, please give it up for Kapsi, Hemant, and Rafi. Thank you so much. Wow. What an incredible conversation we've had. And Would you like a surprise?
Surprise with the surprise, first of all. Like, this is actually going to happen in life for real very soon. That things, whatever you want to order, which you have to really step out and select, are going to be there within a few minutes. I'm still trying to seek that in.
Tapsi, I've got to tell you, Flipkart is your new genie.
I think, yeah, that's what I'm going to call it now, the Flipkart genie.
Absolutely! Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for them one more time. Yes? Come on, make some noise, make some noise. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, stay tuned. We have so much more coming up, and now you can catch Tapsi, and she's walking around, take her photographs, and we'll see you back here for more launches coming up.
मचा रहे गाड़ी क्या तापसी या
Ladies and gentlemen, what a huge honor to have with us our supremely gorgeous, stunning and talented actress Taapsee Pannu.
नहीं सुंदर बुलाते हो उनको
Sundar actress Taapsee Pannu. We do
introduction में बोलना सुंदर.
We do congratulate her, of course. And at the same time, she's won hearts all across the world with her inner beauty. And we are truly overwhelmed and elated. And on behalf
of Flipkart Glamour 2K24, we welcome the naturally glamorous Taapsee Pannu. Yay! Thank you so much, love.
Oh my pleasure.
It is absolutely a beautiful experience. सबसे पहले तो बताइए, how does it feel being a part of the Flipkart Glamour family now, knowing that you always been natural and you look glamorous?
Yeah, I think because glam ka matlab, it's not like you have to add on a lot of things. You just take care of yourself well enough to look glam. And I at least feel the way you carry yourself is also a big part of being glamorous, and hence I always thought I am, but if you say so, if you insist, I'll agree.
Yes, and we love you. Friends from the media, please,
Yes.
your questions.
Yes.
हाँ जी.
तो सुंदर जी सबसे पहले तो बताइए कि फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप फेस्ट के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप? स्टेज पे
मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया है कि इन्होंने ना भारत की जनता को और लेज़ी बनाने का ठान लिया है कि अब तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, अब तुम जाके दुकान में शॉपिंग भी नहीं करोगे, तुम सिर्फ अपने ऐप पे क्लिक करोगे और वो कुछ ही मिनटों में तुम्हारे घर पहुंच जाएगी वो आइटम. तो अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा ये हमारा ईज़ ऑफ कंफर्ट है कि ये हमारे को और लेज़ी करने वाला है. तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा और एक्साइटिंग एडिशन है फ्लिपकार्ट ने जो किया है. अब देखने में मज़ा आएगा कि जनता कितना यूज़ करती है इसको.
बिल्कुल. तो क्या कुछ शॉपिंग करने में क्या कुछ बिलीव करती है ऑनलाइन एंड
शॉपिंग करने में बहुत बिलीव
हाल फिलहाल में जो आपने जो शॉपिंग किया है
बहुत हाल फिलहाल में मतलब फेवरेट सब कुछ, परफ्यूम से लेके हेयर केयर से लेके स्किन केयर से लेके, आई थिंक आप एक लड़की से पूछ रहे हो वो भी इस इंडस्ट्री में जो है, तो मतलब मैंने तो कोई कैटेगरी छोड़ी नहीं होगी शॉपिंग करने की. हाँ, वही एक वाइस है मेरा कि मैं बहुत शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. अपना मूड ख़राब हो तो भी अच्छा करने के लिए शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. ऐसा भी होता है मेरे साथ कभी कभी.
आपको क्या पसंद
पापा
है?
को मत
इत्र या
बताना.
परफ्यूम? आपको क्या पसंद है, इत्र या परफ्यूम?
सही ऑनेस्टली तो परफ्यूम. और कुछ
और ऐसी तीन चीज जो आप शॉपिंग जब करने जाते हैं सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आता है?
ग्लैमर से रिलेटेड बोलूँ तो मुझे अलग अलग तरह के हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स कलेक्ट करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कर्ली हेयर एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है जो आसानी से नहीं मिलते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स, और जो प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते भी हैं वो मुझे ट्राई करने में मतलब समझ में आएगा कि ये वर्क कर रहा है मेरे बाल पे कि नहीं कर रहा है. तो वो एक बहुत लिमिटेड रेंज होती है. तो मैं सबसे एक्साइटमेंट मेरी होती है देखने के लिए कर्ली हेयर रेंज में किसने क्या निकाला है. सो आई शॉप दैट अ लॉट सबसे पहले तो. रेनी सीजन में रिगार्डिंग फैशन जो भी मेकअप करोगे वो धुलने के चांसेस बहुत हैं. तो फिर एक काम करो, मतलब स्किन केयर पे ध्यान दो ज़्यादा मेकअप से रेनी सीजन के अंदर. मे बी नेक्स्ट सीजन में विंटर में उसके बाद मेकअप कर लेंगे. ठीक है. हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
हम आपको किस अंदाज में देखने वाले हैं? सुंदर या क्या?
अभी हसीन आ रही है, फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा एंड खेल खेल में. ये इस साल ये दोनों पिक्चरें आएंगी. बहुत ही
मतलब डिफरेंट दोनों चीज़ें हैं। एक रोमांटिक थ्रिलर है, दूसरी आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है। खेल खेल में आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है। सो बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म हैं दोनों, और वो बहुत मुझे लगता है कि पास रिलीज़ होने वाली हैं, जिस हिसाब से रिलीज़ डेट्स आ रही हैं। तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के ऑडियंस दोनों को कैसा रिएक्शन देता है। एक तो नेटफ्लिक्स ओरिजिनल है, दूसरी थिएटर में आएगी।
इवन तब से आप 10 साल से ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री को दे चुके हैं।
हाँ, माय गॉड,
14 years
सडनली मुझे एंटीक फील हो रहा है। हाँ बोलो। 10 साल इंडस्ट्री को मैंने दे दिया। हाँ, उसके बाद ज़्यादा दे दिए। ओके फिर
तो इस चीज़ को आप किस प्रकार देखते हैं, मतलब जब आप स्टार्टिंग की थी और अब जहाँ पर आप
या जिसने ऐसा कोई बेंचमार्क बना के मैं आई नहीं थी, तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ बोनस है। मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि मैं ऐसे इतनी मतलब मीडिया से खड़े होकर मेरे को सुन रही होगी। वही बहुत बड़ा बोनस है मेरे लिए। अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि 10 साल 11 साल पहले मैंने क्या सोच के इस इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखा था, ये सब कुछ बोनस है मेरे लिए।
Even also everyone is waiting for your one look bride look.
चलो वेट करते थोड़ी देर और। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मैं करूँगी ऐसा कुछ ब्राइड लुक का रिवील या ऐसा कुछ मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है। बहुत ही सीक्रेट नहीं, प्राइवेट पर्सनल एक इवेंट था, तो मैंने ऐसा कोई उसका प्रेस रिलीज़ करने का अभी तक सोचा नहीं है। जब दिमाग में कोई आइडिया आएगा तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को पता चलेगा।
Tapsi will request them for one-on-one look.
When I said shooting, that happened, right? Bang. Okay, guys, tell me more about the song.
No, we're just really grateful that we got to do this because it's such an iconic song and we loved recreating it. And of course, we were directed by Farah ma'am, and she is a Bollywood legend, a choreographer, and to be able to shoot with her and perform with her is
Well, such an iconic song. I think everyone in the 90s remembers the iconic Mr. Akshay Kumar moving to it. And all these years for us youngsters to get our first opportunity and that to moving to such an iconic song was a really special moment. And we've had Badshaah like cool and happening. A lot of fun for us. Absolutely, it looks like fun. It looks like so much fun. I'm sure all of these guys agree, yes?
Guys, did you like the song?
You're wearing the shades and we see it. What about you?
It was a great experience, yeah, and whatever we are doing right now is just for you guys. And I hope you'll have seen the other songs as well. Yes, Simon? Yes? Which is your favorite song till now? Express? Yeah. Sony?
Okay, how about this? How about we take some votes and see the loudest noise, huh? How many for Ish Wish Pyar Pyar? Make some noise, we love it! How many for Sony? Make some noise! Okay, and now for this rocking awesome one.
How many for Gore? I think Sony is, no?
Definitely.
Pyar Pyar.
Not Chot Dil Pe Lagi, guys.
Oh, what about Chot Dil Pe Lagi? Like so many songs you've forgotten about. Romantic? All songs. That's my brother there, bro. That's my brother.
You're the man. You're the man. अच्छा ऐसे मतलब देखो आगों के बारे में बोला था उनको सेल्फी लेना था, right?
He wants to say something about the film. सेल्फी तो मिल जाएगा, लेकिन ये मूवी ऐसा है ना जिसका नाम ही एक इमोशन है। तो इन लोगों की तरफ से मैं बोलता हूँ प्लीज ये मूवी 2 बार 3 बार, एक वाली 2 वाली जितनी वाली के साथ सबके साथ देखना।
अच्छा तो जो करंट है एक्स है सबके साथ देख रहे हैं।
एक होता है ना, देखो पहली वाली थी इश्क, दूसरी वाली विश, प्यार चलता रहना चाहिए।
ओए क्या बात है, इसको मेरे पैसे दे दो।
सर आप हमारे साथ चलो प्रमोशन के लिए, आप बहुत अच्छा प्रमोट करते हो। थैंक यू ब्रो, थैंक यू, बिकॉज ये सॉन्ग ही इमोशन है जो मैंने बोला, चोट दिल पे लगी। थैंक यू मैम।
Yeah, you know what, they will come down. आपने इतना प्रमोशन कर दिया, they will come down for you. But it's... Okay, let's have a great selfie. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for joining us. You know what? Before voice as well. How excited are you for the movie and the song?
The movie, it's like a dream come true, and I would just want to thank each and every one of you for giving us so much love. You guys are incredible. Thank you for giving the song love. Thank you for giving all the songs love. And I hope you give our film as much love on the 21st of June. Looking forward to you all watching it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Before that, everybody, आपके पास चश्मे हैं. Please wear them. Please wear them. What we're going to do is we're going to take a lovely selfie with everybody with the chashma. Okay? Wear your chashmas. Wear your chashmas. I like your twinning, huh? Very cool. Very cool. Chashma, 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 chashma. Good. Chashma, chashma. Ready? Okay. Can we have somebody on the stage taking a selfie with us? Yes. Who's coming on stage for this? Camera guy. Yep. Let's all sit down. You know, I want you guys to be in the center and we sit down. Everybody got to make that noise. And yeah, let's sit because everybody else will come. Put your hands up, everyone. Okay, we're going to stand. Everybody? Yeah, will you need that little space probably with everybody? Everybody put your hands up. I want you to give me a yeah, yeah! Alright, make some noise, everybody. One more time. This is going to go online. A video coming up. I want you to put your hands up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Wow, wow, wow. Wow. I'd like to say that you guys just raised up the heat in this room. Thank you so much for coming to the Flipkart Glam Up Fest 2024 and making this such an exciting one. Thank you for joining us. And now look at the fans. They're all ready for you. These guys are all yours. Let me see how we're going to escape you guys. All right. Right. All right. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining us here. And congratulations. Wishing you all the very best for Ishq Wish.
Here at our Flipkart Glam Up. Welcome. Congratulations. Please join us here.
माइक पे आ जाइए माइक पे चलो आओ पीछे अरुण पीछे अरुण
What a huge honor to have all of you here with us. Thank you so much because you're like all with love personification.
Absolutely. It's always really nice to be a part of events, you know. It's always really nice to go out and be able to promote your film, meet your fans. So yeah, very happy.
Yep. Yeah, what about y'all? You guys, how are you guys
I just
feeling?
feel live interaction is one of the best mediums to understand how the audience loves you. And I think we were great enough to get a lot of love right now. So it's just a very sweet feeling, and I hope we continue getting that kind of love.
I definitely need to mention this to all of you कि आप चारों ने ना और जो आपका गाना है ना इश्क विश प्यार व्यार सोनी भी और अब से काला चश्मा भी लेकिन न सिर्फ
गोरे मुखड़े पे
गोले मुखड़े पे काला चश्मा बिल्कुल न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक छू गया है इश्क विश प्यार व्यार. So while we are sleeping, while we are awake, it is just in our minds. Do you want to do one step for everyone, for our friends from the media, especially here? So let's do. Come on, everyone, please join us.
Okay.
Any one step.
Okay. Should we just? I don't think I can fully dance because I've
just one step. Just one step before we go to the question. Yeah.
The hook step. Should we play the music then?
Yeah, we just sing. Ishq Wish Pyar Pyar. That's it.
Okay. Cool.
5, 6, let's go.
Ishq wish pyar pyar. Ishq wish pyar pyar. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you. Now the questions from the media, please.
थोड़ा माइक के पास सब क्लोज आ जाइए
और क्लोज और
देखना तो सबसे पहले तो फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम फेस्ट में आप सभी का स्वागत है
थैंक यू
एक्सपीरियंस हमने देखा बहुत ही वार्म वेलकम मिल रहा था आप लोगों को स्टेज पे एंड ट्रेलर को वार्म वेलकम मिला है गाना लोग बहुत ही पसंद कर रहे हैं तो बताइए कि इस ग्लैम फेस्ट में कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों को.
सर प्यार तो बहुत मिल रहा है आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा और वी आर वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज द ट्रेलर ड्रॉप 2 days ago and we've received a lot of love from everyone. आज हमारा जो नया गाना है उसके लिए भी बहुत प्यार मिला है हमें and we're so excited because it's actually a song that we really loved shooting. And Farah ma'am, of course, the genius with Badshah. So yeah, we're very happy, sir.
Yeah. Firstly, it's a very big opportunity for us to be performing to such iconic songs, and also having such lovely songs that are original, made for us to dance on. So it's a big opportunity for us. And then on top of that, when we interact with the audience and get to see their reactions to it and see how excited they are and the amount of love they are giving, it is just like the icing on the cake that's already so delicious and sweet.
I think fashion का क्या है वो बदलता रहता है, लेकिन certain things always remain the same, and I think we have taken that essence in गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा, पुराने ज़माने का fashion, आज के ज़माने का तड़का. So it's the right place to promote our film, our song, and I hope you all give it all the love that we in fact put into making it.
सर ब्रदर, जैसा आपने कहा कि हमको इतना प्यार मिला अभी बाहर, तो हम उसी के लिए कर रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं सर. मतलब वी वांट द ऑडियंस टू लाइक अस, एंड आई थिंक हमारी कोशिश हम जैसे जैसे कर रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे दिन नज़दीक आ रहे हैं और अच्छा लग रहा है, नर्वसनेस भी बढ़ रही है. एंड आई जस्ट होप जैसे जैसे हमारे गाने या टीजर्स जो भी ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुए, आप लोग वो भी प्यार दे एंड हम आपको एंटरटेन कर सके ऑन द 21st of June इन अ थिएटर नियर यू.
इवन उस तरफ के गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा जो पुराना वर्जन था उसमें अक्षय कुमार सर
जी,
तो उन्हीं का रिक्रिएट करना, मतलब उन्हीं के सॉन्ग का रिक्रिएट करना कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे चैलेंजिंग रहता है कि लोग
सर वो तो म्यूजिशियन के लिए होता है ना, वो तो अभी एट दिस पॉइंट
परफॉर्म करना, क्योंकि लोगों के दिमाग में एक अक्षय कुमार सर का डांस और उनका जो स्टेप था,
जी
जो स्टाइल था वो रहता है
जी.
फिर उसी को रिक्रिएट करके आप लोगों जो प्रेजेंट किए हैं वो कितना चैलेंजिंग था कि
मैम इनफैक्ट चैलेंजिंग या प्रेशर से ज़्यादा तो इंस्पिरेशन था ना वो. व्हेन वी ऑल वॉच्ड इट वी लव्ड इट सो मच. हमने वो देखते हुए हम बड़े हुए हैं. और बादशाह सर ने इतना अच्छा गाना बनाया, फारा मैम ने इतनी अच्छी कोरियोग्राफी की, जब भी गाना बजता था वी ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्टेड डांसिंग. तो आई डोंट थिंक प्रेशर कभी फील हुआ. इनफैक्ट वी वर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू डू इट.
And it's more like a tribute than us trying to compete. We're giving it a tribute and adding our own flavor to it, you know.
Absolutely.
एंड लास्टली आप लोग एक दूसरे में सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैम अप किसे मानते हैं?
हम
इन्हें देखिए,
लग रहा नहीं है सर,
देखिए इन्हें,
लग रहा नहीं है ऑरेंज कैंडी.
There's any question about it.
Thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you for having us, thank you.